I got these beautiful Ti-Tweezies a little while back, and shortly after, I asked Chris if he could make some that had a hole that was smaller right here, because I wanted to use it to solder posts onto earrings. And he said, why not make your own hole so that you can keep this larger one and have a secondary hole to use on the posts. So I'm going to do that today. He said to only do it on one side, use a cylinder burr, and just burr your hole, like, and just drill out your hole there. I got this crossing file. I'm going to take it because it's got these round, like pointed, rounded sides. I guess I could take a triangle file too, but I'm going to take it and see if I can't. Okay, so that got us started. Right, that is not, we're nowhere close to being halfway, but we're gonna test it out and see if it will grab it. I need the little, there we go, okay. Oops, doesn't really help if you drop it, lady. Ta-da! And it's not, I think it's moving a little bit, but it's not, that's perfect. I might drill it a little bit more just to make sure that it stays in there. But I think that'll work. Another tool alteration. I've got one more that I want to do too, which is sharpening the tip of my titanium pick. Because I just like the tip to be smaller. I feel like you just need to treat titanium like you do your gravers. Cut it for a second or two, and then leave it up. There we go. It's a little deeper. I don't have a clip on it yet, but there you go. So the Ti-Tweezies are perfect for soldering earring posts onto the backs of earrings, and I am going to demonstrate that right now. So with that divot that I put in there, I am just going to line this up right here. Hold on to it and push the thing back. So it's all nicely secured in there, straight up and down. Perfect. I'm going to heat up my solder, which I've already placed here. It's hard silver solder. I'm going to touch the post to the solder so that it sweat solders on there. And then I'm going to immediately solder it to my earring back, or to my earring, which is right there. I'm not spraying it everywhere. Goodness lady. So flux on the post. So my solder is right there. I'm going to take and heat up the solder. It's right here. Until it's a ball, and then come on. There we go. Touch the post to it. There we go. All right, so now spray some flux onto my post. Goodness lady. Onto my little heart shape. My post is sitting in the divot that I made for it. There are copper pieces right here lifting the tweezers up so that it is perfectly lined up. So now I'm going to heat the heart shape and let the solder flow again. And there it goes. All done. And I can just pick up the tweezers. I can even pick them up way up here. But there's my earring. Perfectly soldered with the Ti-Tweezies. Thanks, Chris. Like, this is perfect. Perfect. Dip it in water. I can even push this up and it doesn't hurt me any. It's not hot. And then drop it in the pickle and we're all done. All right. I wanted to get the earring out of the pickle and show how we did. Let's see how we did. There they are. Perfectly straight. Nice. They're really long though. Like, aren't they really long? These are very long earrings. Like, very long. That would drive me nuts. But I bet you that there's a customer out there that needs long earrings. So I'm going to keep them that way and tell them that and make a pair that's shorter too. So, anyway, there they are. Beautiful. Gonna clean them up and post them on the website. Have a great day, everyone. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe for more. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section, and I will see you soon with the next video.